to the PFFC Thought Leader Interview Series. I'm Vicki Castori, Managing Editor of Paper, Film, and Foil Converter magazine. In April 2025, IPCO acquired New Era Converting Machinery, bringing together New Era's expertise in custom converting equipment and IPCO's global web handling and calendaring technologies, along with access to its productivity centers. For converters, moves like this always raise a practical question. What does this change mean for my business? In this episode, we're going straight to the source to explore how the two organizations complement each other and what customers can expect going forward. My guest is Paul Lembo, Managing Director of New Era, a part of IPCO. Welcome back, Paul.
Thanks, Vicki. Great to be here.
Yeah, when we chatted last year, you were just beginning this integration process. So, to start, let's provide our listeners a little bit of background on the acquisition. So, my first question is New Era has built a strong reputation in custom converting equipment over the past 3 decades. What made IPCO the right strategic fit, and what opportunities does this combination open up for your customers?
Thanks, Vicki. Our goal was to find a partner that could support our long-term growth while sharing the same values, customer focus, and business philosophy that have defined New Era for more than 30 years. IPCO proved to be the ideal fit because of our strong cultural alignment and our mutual commitment to innovation and quality. By combining New Era's expertise in web converting equipment with IPCO's extensive portfolio of process technologies, we can offer our customers a broader range of integrated solutions from a single trusted partner. As we've introduced the market to the full scope of our combined offering, the response has been overwhelmingly positive, and we're already uncovering synergies across applications and industries that have exceeded our expectations.
So, you bring up synergies. Where do you see the strongest synergies between New Era and IPCO's portfolios?
Yeah, the strongest synergies come from combining New Era's expertise in web handling, so coding, laminating, casting, and calendaring systems, with IPCO's double belt presses and continuous processing technologies. Together, we deliver integrated turnkey manufacturing solutions that help customers improve efficiency and reduce risk. Just as important, IPCO's global presence and customer base create a new opportunity to bring our combined technologies to a broader range of industries and markets.
So, how does the combined portfolio simplify sourcing and project execution for converters? For example, does it enable your customers to work with fewer vendors?
Absolutely. The combined portfolio allows customers a broader range of processing technologies from a single partner, reducing the need to coordinate multiple equipment suppliers and interfaces across a project. For converters, this means simpler project execution, improved accountability, and access to a single team with expertise across the entire manufacturing process.
So, since the acquisition was announced, what questions or feedback have you been hearing from your customers, and how is that shaping your integration priorities?
One of the common themes we've heard from customers is enthusiasm about our ability to support projects from both the US and in Europe. Several of our European customers have already expressed interest in having future projects manufactured in Europe, providing greater flexibility, localized support, and potential supply chain advantages. Candidly, that demand has accelerated portions of our integration plan with a focus on ensuring that we can seamlessly design, procure, manufacture, and test equipment across both New Era and IPCO facilities.
Speaking of testing, I understand your productivity centers give customers a very unique opportunity to conduct production trials, material testing, and process validation. Can you walk us through how that works and the benefits it brings to your customers?
Sure, sure. Many of our customers come to us with innovative products but without a fully defined manufacturing process or a proven path to commercial scale production. IPCO's network of productivity centers helps bridge that gap by allowing customers to develop and optimize their process before committing to a capital equipment investment. With the addition of New Era's Coating and Laminating Productivity Center, IPCO now offers testing and process development capabilities across all of our core technologies, giving customers greater confidence that their products can be successfully scaled to full production.
So, to shift a little bit to industry trends, what are the biggest changes you're seeing in your customers' requirements today? And how is the combined organization positioned to address those needs?
Yeah, that's a good question. Customers today are looking for more than just a machine. They want complete solutions that improve efficiency, reduce risk, support sustainability goals, and come with strong long-term service and support. We also see increased expectations around compliance, environmental responsibility, data security, and also global project execution. The combination of New Era and IPCO positions us exceptionally well to meet these evolving needs. By bringing together New Era's expertise in web handling with IPCO's global footprint, process technologies, aftermarket capabilities, and sustainability resources, we can deliver a more comprehensive solution while supporting customers locally on a global scale. The result is a stronger partner throughout the entire life cycle of a project.
So, we've talked before about the pressures converters are experiencing today, from improving productivity to managing material variability and meeting sustainability expectations. How are those pressures shaping equipment investment decisions and technology development?
In my opinion, converters are investing in technologies that help do more with less. So, improving productivity, reducing waste, handling a wider range of materials, and meeting increasingly demanding sustainability targets. As material variability and cost pressures continue to rise, customers are prioritizing automation, advanced process control, energy efficiency, and flexible equipment platforms that can adapt to changing market requirements.
Where do you see the greatest growth opportunities for converters? And how is your team preparing to support your customers?
We believe one of the biggest growth opportunities for converters over the next 3 to 5 years will be the adoption of greater automation and digitalization across their operations. Labor shortages, rising production costs, and increasing quality requirements are driving a demand for smarter manufacturing systems. These smarter systems can reduce operator dependence and maximize asset utilization. In response, we're investing in technologies that incorporate advanced automation and data-driven optimization. So by combining New Era's converting expertise with IPCO's global resources and process knowledge, we're helping customers build more efficient, scalable, and future-ready operations that can compete in an increasingly demanding market.
Well, thank you, Paul. I really appreciate you taking time to share your perspective with us.
No, thank you, Vicky. It's really been fun and I appreciate everything.
Thank you. So, you've been listening to Paul Lembo, Managing Director of New Era, a part of IPCO. To learn more, visit the links in the episode notes. You will also find this interview and my previous conversation with Paul in the expert advice section at pffconline.com. Thank you for listening.